one important point. That lady, really, she answered me to open my eyes. She told, if your kids are not knowledgeable, if your kids are not settled in their life, are not knowledgeable, whatever crores of money you earned, single paisa also won't stay with them. Automatically will be gone. Because just now I told, right? The person who is not having the wisdom, the money won't stay with that person. The money by default will go away. Next, if your kids are wise and knowledgeable, they won't require single rupee of your earnings. Observe the word.
Yes.
పిల్లలు కనుక బాగుపడితే మీ రూపాయి అవసరం లేదు. వాళ్ళు ఎదవలైతే మీరు ఎన్ని లక్షలు ఇచ్చినా ఎన్ని కోట్లు ఇచ్చినా కూడా రూపాయి కూడా మిగల్చరు. They won't keep single paisa, even you are providing some lakhs of crores. If they are not having proper knowledge, if they are not having wisdom, if they are wisdom and they have wonderful knowledge, financial knowledge, they won't require single paisa of you. So that's why your job is not to earn more for your kids. Your job is to provide financial education, to provide knowledge, to provide wisdom for your kids. That's what you require to take care. Okay, don't chase earning money. Better to chase providing knowledge to your kids. This is the statement that lady told in that workshop. How many people are going to be accept this statement? Especially parents. Okay, youngsters, youth, you are not required to worry. Remember, so knowledge, wisdom is that much important. We should learn every day, man. I kept my promise. Every day, at least 15 minutes, I will take this session until my last day of my life. Every day, at least 15 minutes, I will take this session until my last day of my life. That's a promise what I did. Because learning should be there. Even you reborn, if you reborn 100 times also, still there is some knowledge is pending to learn. Known is drop, unknown is ocean. Improve your knowledge. The best investment on the earth is invest in yourself. Improve your value, improve your learning, improve your wisdom. That thing must be required.